Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, please check out my video at 10 o'clock every night. We don't talk about stimulus and we don't talk about politics there, but we do have a lot of fun. Please check it out. It's Late Night with Walter. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a video that I made last night. It's over on my music channel. I am starting to put videos on my music channel again. I did one last night. Please go watch it. And please subscribe to that channel if you're not subscribed. Okay. Steve Mnuchin said that we have the funding in place right now to issue the stimulus checks. But Nancy Pelosi refuses to sign off on it. Mnuchin also said that Nancy Pelosi is not telling the truth, and he feels obligated to let the public know. I'm sorry, Steve, but we've known that all along. But thank you for standing up for us. Y'all, Steve Mnuchin's gloves has came off now. Now he is fighting back with Nancy Pelosi, and I believe it's about time. The money is sitting there for stimulus checks, and she will not agree to send them out to help the American people because she wants all of her demands met at one time, or she will not help the American people. This lady is pure evil. She thinks this whole thing is about her. It is not about her. It is about helping the American people that put her in the office in the first place. Y'all, I am sorry what I'm about to say, but I have to say it. I have to get it off my chest. There is a special place in hell for this evil witch, and the sooner she goes, the better we will be. Y'all, I'm sorry. I try to be a good Christian, but I'm fed up with this woman. Y'all remember a few days ago, Larry Kudlow said that Steve Mnuchin was getting frustrated with Nancy Pelosi. Well, it's at the boiling point now. He is over the top frustrated with her, and he's pulled his gloves off. Steve Mnuchin has always been a gentleman, been kept calm about everything when he's dealing with her, but finally he's fighting back. He's not just sitting and taking whatever she wants and giving whatever she asks for anymore. This is good because in the long run, this could help us. He's putting pressure on her now. He's fighting back because she knows that people will listen to Steve Mnuchin. He has always been upfront with everybody. So, Steve Mnuchin, I applaud you for standing up to this evil woman. This was just 2 days ago. Steve Mnuchin said he woke up to a letter that she sent him, but at the same time, she sent it to the press. This was at 12 o'clock at night when she did this. She sent it to his email, and then she sent it to the press without giving him a chance to respond. He didn't find that amusing a bit. That's when he pulled his gloves off. And I don't blame him. Steve Mnuchin wrote her a letter back. And yes, he made his letter public too. Steve Mnuchin told her that in the past 45 days they have spoken every day to try to reach a bipartisan compromise that would benefit the hardworking American people. The people that has been impacted by COVID-19. He said, Mark Meadows and I dedicated endless hours to try to reach a compromise with you. And because your letter to me inaccurately describes the state of our negotiation, I feel obligated to publicly respond. Steve Mnuchin read her the Riot Act, and I think it's about time. This is the only tactics this woman will ever understand. Then Nancy Pelosi goes on to say, January the 20th of 2021, Joe Biden will be inaugurated as President of the United States. She also says that when President Trump loses the election, he should accept the results like a man. By her saying this just proves what we've all known, that she is holding the American people hostage until she gets her way and gets President Trump out of office. Her hate for President Trump has overtaken her. She cannot see past her wrinkled nose far enough to know she's lying. Y'all, Crazy Nancy has got to go. Maybe we all need to pitch in and buy her a brand new broom so she can ride out of Washington on it. And just how can she be sure that President Trump is going to be voted out of office? I'm not saying he will, I'm not saying he won't. But how can she be sure? I would sure like to see her face if he's not. Because she's going to be like millions of other Americans if that happens. She's going to lose her job and that precious Speaker of the House seat that she loves so dearly. That alone makes it almost worthwhile to vote for President Trump. Crazy Nancy said when the Democrats take control of the Senate and the presidency, there will be a big change in the outcome of the stimulus package. Once again, proven she's holding this up because she hates Donald Trump and wants him out of office. This is wrong. This woman is evil and she needs to go. Y'all, we need to vote them all out of office. We need to start fresh with all new blood. This will do two things. It will get rid of the corruption that we have now, and it will send a message to the new politicians coming to take their place. It will let the new politicians know that we're mad as hell and we're not going to take it anymore. And they will be voted out if they don't do their job. So yeah, in that sense, Nancy may be helping our future, because we're going to send a message to the new incomers in Washington. And we're going to use her as an example. Y'all, please don't forfeit your right to vote. This is the most important vote of our lives. Our future depends on it. Everything we hold dear depends on this vote. We have never had a vote as important as this one, and we probably will never have another one this important. So before you go to the polls, please have a prayer, talk to God, ask Him to lead you to the right decisions when you pull that lever or make your X, whatever they do in your voting polls. Y'all, we will get out of this. I know we will, with the grace of God. God will always see us through. It may not be in our time when we want it to be, but He is preparing a brighter future for us. And we're going to look back on this time and we're going to realize God had this better plan for us. And now we have it. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. It's over on my music channel. And please subscribe to that channel. Let's help me get that monetized. It's pretty close to getting there. But I need y'all's help. I will start posting a video over there once a week. And if people tells me they like it, I'll do 2 a week. But please check it out. Watch it. And leave me a comment over there. Let me know you was there. And please subscribe over there. Come back at 12 noon. I will have another video for you. And I hope something good happens soon. And I believe it just might. With Steve Mnuchin fighting with Nancy Pelosi, putting the pressure on. It just might. Only time will tell. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video, please. And give me your thumbs up and leave your comments. I love you all. Ciao.